नमस्ते, मैं हूँ सीमा, अ पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन थेरेपिस्ट, टैरो कार्ड रीडर, ईएफटी प्रैक्टिशनर, एनएलपी ट्रेनर, लाइफ कोच एंड रेकी ग्रैंड मास्टर। मैं बात कर रही हूँ ईएफटी प्रैक्टिशनर्स के बारे में। आज हम बात करेंगे यहाँ पे मनी ब्लॉकेजेस को हटाने के लिए। क्या हम अपनी एनर्जी अपने मेरिडियन पॉइंट्स पे अगर टैप करें तो हमारा किसी भी तरीके का ब्लॉकेज दूर हो सकता है? जी हाँ, इस वीडियो में हम वही करने वाले हैं, प्रैक्टिकली करेंगे और आप मुझे कमेंट करेंगे जिन्होंने करा है कि आपकी वो जो इंटेंसिटी है, आपका जो ब्लॉकेज है वो दूर हुआ या नहीं हुआ। साथ में हम इसमें एंड में चैंट करने वाले हैं स्विच वर्ड, ताकि हमने जो नेगेटिविटी हटाई है वो भी आगे ऊपर खत्म हो जाए और हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी मनी फ्रीक्वेंसी हाई हो जाए। तो हम यहाँ हम कर इस पॉइंट पे हम टैप करेंगे मनी ब्लॉकेज के बारे में। इवन दो आई वॉन्ट टू अर्न लॉट ऑफ मनी but something blocks me and I still choose to love and accept myself deeply, completely and wholly. I'm closing my eyes. Even though I want to earn a lot of money, but something comes in my mind. I go a little lethargic. I think that I will work later, but still I love and accept myself deeply, completely and wholly. Even though this money blockage is really important to remove, but I don't do anything. Still I choose to love and accept myself deeply and completely. This money blockage which I have, आप मेरे साथ करिए, you will enjoy and you will release it. मेरे साथ बोलते जाइए. This money blockage which I have, this money blockage which I created long back, maybe in my childhood, maybe I saw somebody fighting over money and there was a division of their family, and I made this opinion in my mind, in my subconscious mind, that money is not good for me. Money creates differences, divisions in the family. I am holding this very tightly. This money blockage is not letting me earn money. I feel somewhere that I am not good enough. I can't and I don't deserve that money. If that money will come to me, something bad will happen. Or maybe I will have some bad habit. Money only brings lot of negativity. Money creates lot of bad habits in us. Money is not a good thing to have. To have money is not our class. Middle class people can't earn money. We are okay with this money. Enough. I don't want to earn more money. If I will earn money, maybe my family will have their own friends and circle. They will not sit with me. I have many blockages like this. I don't know which blockage stops me from earning money. And although I want really big money, but these blockages don't let me take any action. I really have big blockages and I want to release these blockages. Although I know these blockages can be removed. If I remove these blockages, I know I will have a lot of money with me. I have a lot of work with me I do for charity. Maybe some money I will keep for myself and some I will do for charity or donate. But all the money cannot be donated. What will I do? So I am, releasing all the blockages, all the past memories or all the impressions I have in my subconscious mind about money. Money is everything. Money can buy you happiness. With money you can help everybody. Money gives you certain strong aura. I really love money. Money comes to me easily and money is my best friend. Money is such a beautiful energy. Money is a free-flowing energy and I love money. Money is like drinking milk. Money is like drinking water. Money is so easy energy. I really attract a lot of money. Money is just so important. Money can give me all the happiness and I can get all and everything in my life with money, and I can help people and I can heal myself. This past memory was just of no use. I love myself. I really love myself. I am happy to have money and I thank this universe I thank everybody. I thank this universe. I thank myself. I thank my parents. I thank the everything, my profession that is giving me a lot of money. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So आप इस तरीके से मेरे साथ साथ टैप करें और नीचे कमेंट करें कि कैसा रहा, आपकी कुछ मनी के ब्लॉकेजेस दूर हुए। EFT प्रैक्टिशनर कोर्स में हम बहुत सारे ब्लॉकेजेस को दूर करते हैं, अपनी लाइफ के ट्रॉमास को, लिमिटिंग बिलीफ को दूर करते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं। अगर आप ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो आप नीचे दिए गए नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं 9820127053 पे। और एक लास्ट जो मैंने आपको बोला था, जो मैं अभी भूल रही थी आपको बताना, आप ध्यान से देख लीजिए, जो हमें टैप करना है, दिस इज डिवाइन काउंट, डिवाइन काउंट, डिवाइन काउंट, डिवाइन काउंट, डिवाइन काउंट, डिवाइन काउंट, divine count, 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 divine count. Do जितनी देर तक आप कर सकते हैं इसे करते रहिए. Thank you for being here. Bye bye.